How does international humanitarian law apply in armed conflicts? Breaking news from the world of law and conflict. The question on many minds today is how international humanitarian law applies during armed conflicts. As recent events unfold globally, understanding these legal frameworks is more important than ever. International humanitarian law, also known as the law of armed conflict, governs how parties must conduct themselves during wars. This law aims to limit suffering and protect those not involved in fighting. It includes the Geneva Conventions and the laws of armed conflict. International humanitarian law comes into effect once an armed conflict exists, regardless of its cause. This means that the rules regulating behavior during or operate independently from the legality of initiating the conflict. The Geneva Conventions and their additional protocols are the core legal instruments. They set protections for wounded soldiers, prisoners of war, and civilians. These rules are binding on all parties involved in the conflict. Key principles of international humanitarian law include the principle of distinction. This principle requires parties to differentiate between combatants and civilians. Attacks should only target legitimate military objectives. Another important principle is proportionality. This means that any military action should not cause excessive civilian harm compared to the anticipated military advantage. The principle of precaution also plays a vital role. All feasible measures must be taken to avoid or minimize civilian harm during military operations. The International Committee of the Red Cross plays a crucial role in promoting respect for international humanitarian law. This organization provides humanitarian assistance to those affected by conflicts. Its neutrality allows it to operate impartially, offering essential aid such as food, water, and health care. International humanitarian law also regulates the treatment of detainees and prisoners of war. It ensures humane treatment and prohibits torture or degrading treatment. Violations of these laws can lead to serious consequences, including war crimes charges. In armed conflicts, international humanitarian law serves to regulate behavior, protect civilians, and limit the effects of war. Understanding these laws is vital as conflicts continue to affect millions around the world. Organizations like the International Committee of the Red Cross work tirelessly to ensure these protections are upheld.